Hi guys. I hope you are well. Welcome to Photo Manipulation Training. This is the second series of photo manipulation training videos. If you have not seen the previous video, be sure to watch the second video first and then come to the next series. So in the first session we learned how to get ideas. We showed you sites to find ideas. And you also learned what to look for in a photo. You learned from which sites you can download the stock file and photos you need. We were also able to turn this photo to this photo. But this is just the beginning. If you want to have a good photo manipulation, you have to do this photo very efficiently. So let's go to the second session without wasting time. In the second session, we will learn how to turn this photo into this photo. Now let's go to Photoshop software. Anything that gets light will definitely create a shadow, and we have to create a shadow for this subject. There is no set rule on which mode to place the layer on. Each photo has its own color and needs a mode for itself. Test the modes one by one and put them on the mode that looks better. Don't forget that when light shines on a part of the image, the rest of the parts should be shaded and darker. Then use hue to darken the photo and lighten the parts that should be light with a white brush so that your photo is the same color as the space. Now let's move on a little more imaginative. Do you see smoke coming from that mountain? Why not a volcano? Do we make a splash with the stock photos we downloaded? Screen or lightning mode can be the best mode for this. Put the photo on the screen and adjust the location of the photo. You can remove the extra places with the eraser tool. It can't be full of fire there and nothing can be seen on our side. Isn't it better to set fire here as well? First we have to create shadows for the rocks behind them so that the fires of the method can be seen better. The grass is not a little bright for our work. I think the same adjustment exposure can be a good solution for this. I emphasize again that there is no law for numbers. Roll the numbers up and down as much as you can to give your picture a darker look. Then mask again with black and darken wherever you need it with a white brush. Now we can add some magma to the rocks. You can put the magma in the screen mode and delete the extra places. We continue to do this until we get a good result and almost all the stones catch fire. Just remember not to overdo it. Do not lose your natural state until your photo. Cut the magmas you like and copy with Ctrl+C and add to the photo by hitting Ctrl+V. Put the photo on the screen and repeat. Did we miss something? Shouldn't fire have smoke? Unsplash site blade of smoke photos. Download a few stones and bring the photo. Now put the photo mode on the screen and create as much smoke on the fires as you want. Easily remove the corners and places of the filler with an eraser. Now bring a smoky photo and enlarge it as appropriate to give the whole photo space smoke and fog. So let's see what we did. It was great for the second session. You have been able to do so much better than thousands so far. But this is not the end of the matter. Be energetic and happy. Let's go to the training of the third session.